everyone and welcome back to SP Learning Labs. So far, you have learned trees that help in searching numbers. You have learned heaps that help in priorities. But today, we are going to deal with words, not numbers, not priorities, strings, prefixes, autocomplete. Till now, you learned heaps and priority queues. They helped you always get the smallest or largest value quickly. But those structures don't help when you want to search words like app, apple, application. Because here the important thing is not value, it is the prefix. Think about your phone keyboard. You type app and instantly you see apple, application, appointment. Now think carefully. Is your phone scanning the entire dictionary every time? No, that would be too slow. Instead, it already built a structure where all words starting with app live together. That structure is called a trie. Why do we need this? Now let's understand the problem. Suppose you store words in a list and every time user types something, you check all words. That is slow. Now the question is, can we store words in such a way that common prefixes are shared? Search becomes faster. That's exactly what trie does. Trie structure. A trie is a tree where each node stores a character and a path from root to a node represents a prefix. Example, think of a road system. From city center, the route, different roads branch out. Each path forms a word. Now let's look at the code part of tries. We'll see the trie structure. For that, I am taking class trie node. This creates the node class and self.children. This stores the next letters. Self.isEnd equals to false. This means the word is not complete. Now root equals to trie node. This creates the root. And print. Let's show the children. And root.isEnd. This is to end the flag. Let's save it and run it. There we go. We have our output and it is false. Insert operation. We see one character at a time. If character exists, move forward. If not, create new node. Example, writing a word letter by letter in a path. If path exists, follow it. Otherwise, create a new path. Now the question is, how do we check if a word exists? Now moving on to insert. Here we can see the code. Have created a trie class and created a root. Now I am inserting a function def insert. Node equals to self.root. This starts the root. For char and word, this will visit letters. I am checking a path here if char not in children. And I am creating another node. Children char equals to trie node. Now we'll move forward from it. Node equals to node.children of char. Let's mark the word end. Let's insert words cat and car. Now we'll print it and see the output. There we go. We have our output. C is the main trie node and the other letters are the children. Now the question is, how do we check if a word exists? Search word. We follow the path of characters. At the end, we check is and. But what if we don't need a full word? Now let's move on to search. Here you can see the code. Here I created a search function and node equals to self.root. This starts the root. I'm taking a condition for char and word. This visits every letter. And return false. This will give you the missing path. Now taking node equals to node.children of char. This will move forward. And let's return node is and. This checks the complete word. Try search cat. This returns true. And the try search dog, it will return false. Let's check it. Saving the file and running it. There we go. We have our outputs true, false and false. Prefix search starts with. We only check path. We don't care about is and. Typing app and getting suggestions. We don't need full words. Now let's build something powerful. Now let's move on to prefix search. Here you can see the code. I have taken a prefix function. Def starts with prefix. And I started a root, node equals to self.root. For loop visits every character and it will return false if the path is missing. And returns true if the prefix exists. Now let's check prefixes for apple, app and application. And the try stands with app will give you true and the bat will give you false. Let's do it. Saving the file and running it. There we go. We have our outputs. False and false. Autocomplete DFS. Once we reach prefix in order, we explore all paths below it. Example, you type CA. System explores all words starting with C and A. Now let's move on to autocomplete. Here I am taking a function, DFS function, and if node.isEnd means if the word is found, then result.append of path will save the word. Taking another loop here for char and children, this will visit the children. And self.dfs will be searching as a recursive search. Now taking a main function, autocomplete function, I am taking return empty. This will say us if the prefix is missing. And result will store the words. Self.dfs will collect the words and return result if the return matches. Now let's print it and it will show suggestions. Saving code and running it. There we go. We have our output cat, car, cap and camera. And the code part ends here. Delete operation. We don't always delete nodes. We just mark is end equals to false. Real world example. For example, removing a word from dictionary but keeping shared paths. Now let's talk about optimization. Compressed trie, radix tree. Instead of sorting one character per node, we store whole strings. Example, instead of writing A, P, P, L, E, we store apple directly. Benefit, less memory and faster traversal. Now another variation. Ternary search tree. Each node has 3 children. Less, equal, greater. Example like BST plus tri-hybrid. Benefit of using this is more space efficient. Best practices. Use Hashmap for flexible characters. Use trie when prefix matters. Use compressed trie for memory optimization. Store frequency for ranking suggestions. Common mistakes. Forgetting is-end flag. Using fixed array unnecessarily. Ignoring memory cost. Interview questions. How trie helps in autocomplete? Difference between trie and a hash map. How to find longest common prefix. Why trie uses more memory? Now it's your turn. Insert words cat, car, cap. Search prefix CA, list possible outputs. Comment your answers in the comment section. I'll help you improve. So let's recap. Trie stores characters as paths. Insert builds paths. Search checks full word. Prefix search checks only path. Autocomplete uses DFS. Next, we move into graphs, where data is connected like a network. Not trees, not linear, but fully interconnected. If this made autocomplete finally make sense, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to SP Learning Labs. And I'll see you in the next one.